Hi, thanks for joining us in the second video in this series. In today's episode, we'll be installing Communicator on Windows. To begin, navigate to the welcome email and click the link to the Dropbox. Since we're installing this on Windows, we'll want to download the .exe file. After clicking that, click Download, then Direct Download, and save the file on your computer. Once the file finishes downloading, open it to run the installer. When greeted, click Next and agree to the terms. Then click Next 3 times to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, click Finish and search for the Communicator app. After running the program, you'll be prompted with the Profile Wizard screen. Here, we'll enter our user account details from the welcome email. Once that's filled out, click the Advanced tab and copy the host address from the welcome email and paste it in the login server box. After that, click Next and set your new password. Once your password is set, you'll be greeted with an option to use your desk phone to make calls or use your computer. For now, uncheck soft phone and click Next. After you click Finish, you should be logged in. If you're not automatically logged in, search for the app on your computer and log in with your new account details. Now that Communicator is installed on your computer, tune in next time to see a video of the welcome tour and how to get around. Thanks for watching.